Philidor, it's Miss Lynn. Just popping on here to read you a few stories. The first story we're going to read is Little Dog Lost. Little Dog Lost. On a very cold day during a very cold winter, sheets of ice float on the visual river and out toward the Baltic Sea. Something is moving in the water. What is it? Is it a bird? No. A fish? No. It's a dog. A little dog is adrift on the ice. Can anybody help? Please help dog. The firemen come to help. They go into the river trying to reach dog. But the river flows too fast. The little dog floats away with his current, past the people and past the building. Dog leaves everyone behind. Night comes and goes, and dog's thick fur keeps him warm. But dog is wet and tired and hungry, and he's very scared. A ship is coming. The crew sees something on the ice. Is it a seal? No. It has 4 legs, ears, and a tail. It's a dog. Let's help him. The crew pulls out a big net on a pole. Jump in, dog. But dog slips. He falls into the water. Oh no, where is dog? There he is. Dog climbs back onto the ice. The crew lowers a small boat into the icy water. A seaman climbs in and paddles toward the dog. He gets closer and closer, and then he saves the dog. Quick, get towels. Quick, get blankets. The whole crew helps dog. Is dog okay? Dog is so weak and so tired, he can barely move. Finally, dog is warm. Finally, dog is dry. He eats and falls asleep, safe at last aboard the ship. When dog wakes up, he looks for the people who saved him. They are eating breakfast. Everyone is happy to see dog awake. They give dog a sausage. Dog finds a man who pulled him out of the water, and dog puts his nose on his lap. That's how he says thank you. You're welcome, dog. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're welcome, dog. That is it. That's what we'll call you. Baltic. That it will be your name. And that's how a brave little dog got his name and his home. Joined the crew, Baltic. It was the name of the ship, so they named the dog after the ship. Okay, see you later.